Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to refund items on Roblox. To start, you need to open the Roblox in your system. Here you can see the web address of your Roblox homepage. Type in roblox.com/support. Here you need to put the account information to contact the Roblox team. After that, you need to add issue details. Select the option of PC from the drop-down menu, or you can use whatever device you are using. Then, go to the type of help category and select purchases using Roblox. After that, select the category of purchase as inexperienced item. Once it is done, write a short description of the issue you are facing. Finally, click on Submit to proceed further. Roblox team will soon contact you to resolve your problem. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.